Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your shopping cart with Target, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your shopping cart with Target, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Target website by typing www.target.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Locate the shopping cart icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the shopping cart icon to view the items currently in your cart. To remove an item, find the product you want to delete. Look for the Remove button next to that item. Click the Remove button to delete the selected item from your cart. If you want to clear the entire cart, scroll to the bottom of the cart page. You will see an option that says Remove all items or a similar phrase. Click that option to clear all items from your shopping cart. To add new items, navigate back to the Target homepage. Browse or use the search bar to find the products you want to add. Once you find an item, click on it to view its details. Select the desired quantity and any options, such as size or color. After making your selections, click the Add to Cart button. Repeat the process for any additional items you wish to add. When you are done shopping, click on the shopping cart icon again. Review your cart to ensure it contains the correct items. When ready, click on the Checkout button to proceed to payment. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Congratulations, your shopping cart has been reset and updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.